Hello everybody, Smokey Smokes here. Going to be doing a pipe review on this beautiful Medico Cavalier. This happens to be the straight billiard kind. Much bigger than the straight Dublin kind. I did a review of that years and years ago, but this is significantly larger, actually. So let me just give you the specs real quick. Let's see, I think the website is, it's wvsmokeshop.com. That's where these are usually available when they do appear, but you can find them on various websites on the internet. That's where I happen to get mine, though. These retail for $44, but on that website they are $34.95. Not a terribly bad price. It's more on the affordable side. I'd like to see these more like 25 or 30, but it is what it is. 35 is not bad. 6-inch length on this one right here. 0.8-inch chamber diameter, but if you're counting the outside of the chamber as well, it is a 1.45-inch diameter, and the depth of it is about 1.6 inches. Its weight is, let's weigh it together actually, because I couldn't find the specs online anywhere. And it's subjective. These are all a little bit different. You're not necessarily going to get the exact same measurements because they're, 1.85 ounces it says. That sounds about right. So it's, not that the weight, I don't think, is usually that much of a concern for people. I just figured I'd give you the specs. Yeah, beautiful pipe. We have black rustic briar wood here. We have some sort of cheap synthetic, it feels like. It's actually kind of a flexible stem right here. But I like the design they have right there. There's the Medico Maker's Mark. There's not really a whole lot else to say about it. It is a sitter, and I really like that too, as you can see right there, like how I can set it down. I don't have to have it like that on the table when I'm not smoking it or whatever. I wish all pipes were sitters, but it's not that big of a deal. I think that's a plus. Another plus, I think, is that this takes filters. I'll use my mouth to get it off here. Oh man, it's on there tight. As you can see right there, I've smoked this a couple of times. That's a filter that just came with it. But apparently these take both Dr. Grabo as well as Medico Cavalier, Medico filters. So pretty big pipe actually. It's really hand-filling. I gave you all the specs right there. I don't know if that can help you imaginate how large the pipe must be, but it's on the larger side, I would say. I actually like that. I like bigger pipes. I like having more to hold on to, and you can definitely fill a lot more tobacco in there as well. It's a big blower. They're much bigger, again, compared to their Dublin, the one that I got anyway, but yeah, there's not a whole lot else to say about it. I think it's beautiful, very simple, just black pipe, affordable, very functional, smokes great. I love pipe filters. Not everyone's into them. I happen to love pipe filters. I don't like tobacco juice getting into my mouth when I'm trying to smoke. A lot of people say, well, you can do this and that and this and that to avoid that, but I think filters are the easiest, most simple way to avoid impurities in the smoke. So I really like how it takes filters, but if you don't want to take filters, guess what? Just put the filter out. See that? It's that simple. So yeah, amazing, amazing pipe. If you like the way it looks, just buy it. It's not very expensive, and it functions very well. They have all different kinds. They have the Dublin, they have bent kinds, obviously. You just kind of have to find them. They appear every now and again on websites. I don't know why. They're kind of rare, actually, but they're not that rare. They're just not common either. So yeah, there's just a quick look at the Medico Cavalier. Again, happens to be the bent billiard shape. A+, very good pipe.